What is going on, folks? So me and Lillard are here. We're about to start doing a little bit of yard work here. Come on over here, I'll show you what we're gonna do. So me and Lillard have decided that we don't like these pine needles here. So we're gonna go ahead and get rid of all these pine needles, lay down some weed barrier because these pesky weeds just keep growing in. So we'll get some weed barrier in there. We're gonna put some gravel down, some nice river rock or something, whatever we can find. All the gravel stores are closed today. I've called about 6 of them, can't find nothing. So I've got almost all of this pine picked up. Got a little left to get over here. Got this whole section cleared out. I can't stand that pine. All it does is bring the roaches in. But all the way around, getting it knocked out. And I saw a guy down around the corner, a couple miles away. He was putting pine out. And I stopped and I said, hey, do you want some pine? I'll just give it all to you. I don't want it. I can't stand this stuff. And he said, heck yeah, I'll take it. So he brought his little dump trailer over, and I've just been filling it up, and I'll take it over back to him whenever I head to town today, do some grocery shopping. Man, that sunflower's sagging a little bit. I only planted like 2 seeds per spot, and there's like 6 or 8 stalks coming up right there. Same over here. About 5. Not really sure what's going on there. Got a few in here about to open up. Sunflowers are doing pretty good. So, GoPro died, finished everything up, and I'm actually going to round this corner over a little bit, about right here, and then straight even with that, so I can grow the grass in there. I don't know why they came out like that far, but we'll go ahead and get it done, and then I just got to get that weed mat, and then some rock. Hopefully I can get that Friday. So I have some of these bricks here, and I'm roughly just kind of laying them out, just to make sure I've got room, or not room, make sure I got enough bricks. And I'm gonna go ahead and seed this. And I kind of went with a little bit of a bow out, but not too much, just to make it look uniform the whole way through. Got a couple left to lay over here real quick, just to see if I need more, which it's not looking like it, because I've got a few left in the truck. So, good guess, I guess. Looking very nice. This looks a little kind of janky, but that's because there's that termite thing right there, and they said that we can't move them, so I'm not going to relocate it. I will leave it there. When we bought the house, we paid for the termite bond, and they said if you move them, it voids your coverage. So we'll leave them, go around it, no big deal. We got everything kind of knocked out somewhat. This looks a little squirrely here, but because there's a termite thing right there, and we paid for a termite bond when we bought this place, and they said if we moved it, it voids the warranty, so left it where it is, or voids the coverage or whatever. But here we got this. Just got to get some weed mat, lay some rock. I overseeded the heck out of this and put a little water on it. Hopefully she'll grow. Hopefully I didn't put too much seed. I cut too big of a hole in the bag and half the bag dumped out in one spot, so I just spread it all around. But oh well, it is what it is. We'll get this all rocked out, get this side rocked out. She'll look good. I'm happy with it so far. So I've pulled all the lights out and cut around these little termite things. And I'm just kind of throwing a little bit of rock in here to just keep this in case a gust of wind comes up. And I do have some of them stakes right there. I'm just putting them on the seams really, but nothing too crazy. Just finished up this section right here. Cutting around all these cutting around all these plants is very tedious and takes a long time. If there was nothing here, it'd be a lot easier. So I'm just gonna go ahead and keep on putting it down and trimming it up and staking it and rocking it, and we'll be on with it. And I had the rock guy drop off 3 yards of rock yesterday. I wouldn't imagine it's gonna take all 3 yards, but we'll see. And it's just a river rock. I really wanted a larger stone in the same color, like a light river rock, but they did not have a larger stone. They were all out, so I got the small stone. It looks good. I had him drop it up here just so it would minimize what's in the grass, because boy, I tell you, them things would get slung around by that mower. So I've got all this weed mat placed. This actually took the longest out of everything, but we're gonna come in here and backfill everything with some gravel. Got it all done, laid under the bricks, staked down and whatnot. Everything cut out. It'll clean up nice. Now I already fired up the Coyote. It's over there warming up. Got this pile of rocks here and we're gonna get after it. So I've got this side here done. I think it looks very well. I went with a lighter color rock just so it doesn't match the house so much. That way it just gives it more contrast. The bricks, I tried to kind of match the house a little bit, but the rock, I went with a lighter rock. Looks good. Just got to do this side. Dumped a load of that bucket right there and got a lot of rock to put in here. I don't know if I got enough. Thought 3 yards would do it. Tractor's all tucked away. Got the rock laid. Barely have any left. I'd probably say half yard, but I'm probably gonna end up needing it because I know there's some spots that ain't about 2 inches thick or deep, whatever you want to call it. But I'm gonna let it settle, water it, let it settle, and then if I got any low spots, I'll fill it in. But I really like it. It matches the concrete a little more than I would like it to, but this side came out nice as well. Really can't argue with it. Garden's looking nice. Looks like there's some corn coming in. Oh yeah, I got a few around here. Seen a little bit of corn. Not bad. I've seen some cantaloupe. There's another one right there. Cantaloupe. I know someone said something the other day about the way I say it, but I just say it like that because that's how I think it's funny. But that one right there, I can't see it. There it is. There. Got a bunch of them coming in now. A couple right here. Watermelons. I got a bunch of small little ones starting to come. I've got two that are alright size. There's a little small one right there. I got one that's about the size of your fist. Right there. One more right there. Small one down there coming in. A few watermelons. Couple zucchini. Wow, that thing's a monster. Y'all are gonna like that. Hang on. I seen this one while I was cutting grass yesterday. Need to come out here and pick them. One zucchini. This one's something fierce right here. Shoo-wee. I'm telling you. That thing's every bit of 14, 15 inches long. Another watermelon right there. Nice, very nice. But this thing ain't messing around.